Looking to explore the best water activities in Como? From exciting water sports like surfing and jet skiing to peaceful boat tours, Como offers something for every adventurer. Whether you're a beginner or an expert, enjoy unforgettable experiences on the water. Lake Como Glamour Private Tour 3 hours Eolo boat. Embark on a one-of-a-kind 3-hour private boat tour of Lake Como, a journey steeped in history and luxury. Enjoy an intimate encounter with Lake Como's breathtaking beauty while cruising aboard an exquisite vessel. Experience the charm of charming villages, explore historical residences, and admire the opulence of prestigious villas such as Villa Trubetskoy, the Oriental Mandarin Hotel, and Villa Taverna. Marvel at the majestic landscapes of Torno, Neso, and Comachina Island. Upon returning to Como, visit iconic sites like Villa Balbianello, Bellagio, and Villa Fontanelle, culminating your journey at the historic Villa Olmo. This exclusive tour promises unforgettable experiences, ensuring an immersive adventure into the timeless beauty of Lake Como. Your enchanting private boat tour concludes where it began in Como, allowing for convenient pickup and drop-off options. Lake Como, Varenna Private Tour, 4 hours Eolo boat. Experience the allure of Lake Como exclusive private 4-hour boat tour. Overview. Embark on a unique 4-hour private boat tour of Lake Como, a voyage rich in history and elegance. Cruise aboard a state-of-the-art vessel, offering panoramic vistas of grand villas and iconic landmarks. Enjoy the charm of picturesque villages and uncover the tales behind historic residences. This exclusive excursion guarantees an intimate connection with Lake Como's breathtaking beauty. Itinerary. The tour takes you on a memorable journey through the splendorous estates of Villa Trubetskoy, the luxurious Oriental Mandarin Hotel in Villa Roccabruna, and the enchanting Villa Taverna. Progress through Torno village to admire Villa Pliniana's fortress villa, and the awe-inspiring Neso with its majestic waterfall. Travel northward to explore Comachina Island, Villa Balbianello, Villa La Casinelle, and the renowned Bellagio. A brief stop in the charming village of Varenna with a gelato break awaits before returning to Como. Take a detour to L'Aglio for a glimpse of George Clooney's residence, Villa Fontanelle's allure, and the charm of Cernobio village. Discover treasures such as Villa Erba and the legendary Villa d'Este, before concluding at the historic Villa Olmo in Como. Embark on this enchanting adventure amid the timeless beauty of Lake Como, featuring 2 stops for refreshing swims. Our boat. Navigate aboard our modern, powerful, and recently acquired boat. Meticulously outfitted with 2 ample refrigerators stocked with Prosecco and other beverages upon request. A spacious sink with a cutting board. A high-tech stereo system providing top-notch entertainment for an unforgettable celebration. Additionally, the boat boasts a large deck for relaxation during the cruise. A change room with facilities. A sturdy cover suitable for both rain and strong sunlight. A USB charging station. A stern platform facilitating easy access to the water. And a shower in the cockpit. Eolo La Dolce Vita 1 is a 7.5-meter day cruiser belonging to the category of runabout. This class encompasses lightweight motorboats designed for smooth cruising around Lake Como. Equipped with a robust 300 HP Mercury Verado 4-stroke outboard engine. This vessel can propel itself at speeds exceeding 40 knots and effortlessly navigate every corner of the lake. This versatile craft is the ideal choice for couples, families, or smaller groups of friends. The maximum recommended capacity is 6 passengers plus the captain. Your enchanting private boat tour concludes where it started in Como. For added convenience, we offer optional pickup and drop-off services from various locations throughout the region. Lake Como. Glamour Private Tour, 1 hour, Eolo boat. Experience the enchantment of Lake Como, a private 1-hour boat tour. Overview. Embark on a unique 1-hour private boat tour of Lake Como, a destination rich in history and elegance. Glide aboard an exquisite vessel, experiencing panoramic vistas of luxurious villas and iconic landmarks. Marvel at the charm of quaint villages, and uncover the tales behind historic residences. This exclusive voyage offers an intimate connection with Lake Como's stunning beauty. Itinerary. Departing from Como, we navigate through the scenic coastline, encountering the charming village of Livio, featuring villas such as Villa Trubetskoy, Villa Roccabruna, and Villa Taverna. We then explore the picturesque village of Torno, home to the renowned Villa Oleandra of George Clooney. As we return, we admire the idyllic villas, castles and hotels lining the shoreline. Moltrasio boasts Villa Fontanelle, once owned by Gianni Versace, while past Villa Pizzo, we reach Cernobio, where Villa d'Este and Villa Erba captivate the eye. Upon our arrival in Como, we cannot overlook Villa Olmo, a historic gem from the 1700s now serving as the town hall, perfect for hosting events and exhibitions. This itinerary offers a captivating exploration of the region's historical and architectural splendor. Navigate aboard Eolo, La Dolce Vita 1, a sleek, modern, and recently acquired 7.5-meter day cruiser belonging to the runabout category. Equipped with 2 large refrigerators stocked with Prosecco and other beverages upon request, this vessel ensures comfort and refreshment throughout your journey. The spacious sun deck invites relaxation, and the cabin accommodates changing attire with a restroom available. Additionally, a large cover provides shelter against rain or excessive sunlight, while a USB charging station keeps devices charged and ready for entertainment. The stern platform facilitates access to the water, and a shower in the cockpit enhances the overall experience. Power source. The vessel is powered by a robust 300 HP Mercury Verado 4-stroke outboard motor, allowing for speeds exceeding 40 knots and reaching any point on Lake Como effortlessly. Ideal for couples, families, or small groups, Eolo comfortably seats up to 6 people, plus the captain. Conclusion. Upon concluding your enchanting private boat tour in Como, consider alternative pickup and drop-off locations for added convenience. Como Lake Como Private Sightseeing Boat Tour. Private 5-star boat tour. Experience the splendor of Lake Como. Embark on a luxurious 5-star boat tour to immerse yourself in the opulence and charm of Lake Como. Set sail from Como for a serene journey through the breathtaking scenery of this renowned lake. Admire the magnificent villas, picturesque villages, and enchanting natural landscapes along your route. Your itinerary includes visits to iconic landmarks such as Villa Geno, Villa Mirabella, Villa Trubetskoy, Villa Che de Martori, and Villa Belvedere. The tour concludes with a brief stopover at the famous Mandarin Oriental Resort. As you cross the lake, you'll pass by popular destinations including Villa Pizzo, the historic villa of Gianni Versace, and the charming village of Cernobio. Upon arrival back in Como, you will enjoy a delightful cruise aboard your personalized speedboat, providing you with unparalleled access to the stunning views of Lake Como. This exclusive experience offers a seamless blend of luxury and adventure, allowing you to explore the region's hidden gems while enjoying a memorable private cruise. Whether you prefer a leisurely 1-hour or an exhilarating 2-hour tour, our expert guides will ensure that every moment is filled with elegance and tranquility. Book now to discover the true essence of Lake Como. Lake Como, Glamour Private Tour 1-hour Invictus boat. Experience the allure of Lake Como Private 1-hour boat tour. Embark on a one-of-a-kind 1-hour private boat tour of Lake Como, a journey steeped in history and luxury. Navigate aboard an exquisite vessel, offering panoramic vistas of opulent villas and iconic landmarks. Immerse yourself in the charm of charming villages, uncovering the stories behind historic residences, and marvel at the stunning scenery throughout the tour. Tour details. Starting our journey north from Como, we explore the charming village of Blivio, featuring villas such as Villa Trubetskoy, Villa Roccabruna, and Villa Taverna. Next, we visit the picturesque village of Torno, home to the renowned Villa Oleandra of George Clooney. Alongside these sites, we admire the charming villas, castles, and hotels lining the shore. Our route continues past Moltrasio, where Villa Fontanelle, also known as Gianni Versace's villa, stands out, followed by Villa Pizzo. Finally, we reach Cernobio, where Villa d'Este and Villa Erba draw attention. Upon returning to Como, we highlight Villa Olmo, a historic gem from the 1700s now serving as the town hall, perfect for hosting events and exhibitions. This itinerary showcases the rich historical and architectural heritage of the Lake Como region. Boat specifications. Upon boarding, enjoy the comfort of our modern, powerful, and recently refurbished boat, equipped with 2 large refrigerators, including fresh Prosecco and other beverages upon requests. You'll have ample space to relax on the expansive sun deck, change clothes in a spacious cabin with a toilet facility, and enjoy a luxurious experience with a large cover to shield you from rain or excessive sun. Additionally, a USB charging station and a stern platform make accessing the water easier, while the cockpit shower ensures a refreshing end to each voyage. Frank's Invictus 286 Le Dolce Vita 2 is your new boat. Designed by renowned naval architect Christian Grand, this 15-meter-long vessel boasts superior livability, onboard comfort, luxury, exclusivity, and Italian flair. Constructed from high-quality materials and leather upholstery, it features a robust 350-horsepower Volvo Penta Verado 4-stroke stern-drive engine, allowing you to reach speeds exceeding 40 knots effortlessly and navigate to any point on Lake Como. Ideal for family outings or group excursions, this boat can accommodate up to 9 passengers plus the captain. Your enchanting private boat tour concludes wherever you started, or alternatively, discuss options for additional convenient pickup and drop-off points. Como Lake Villas Higlights, an exclusive boat tour. Embark on a serene journey along the shores of Lake Como, captivated by its enchanting beauty. As you navigate through tranquil waters, marvel at the exquisite villas that have earned this idyllic setting its prestigious reputation, housing luminaries from diverse corners of the globe. Departing from Como, take note of Villa Olmo, Villa Erba, and Villa d'Este, each a testament to the opulence and charm these magnificent properties possess. These architectural gems serve as residences for some of the world's most celebrated individuals. Continuing your exploration, pass by Villa Pliniana and Villa Fontanelle, renowned for their association with fashion icon Gianni Versace. These historic estates now stand as symbols of luxury and elegance. As you near the picturesque village of Laglio, prepare to witness an extraordinary sight, Villa Oleandra, the opulent residence of actor George Clooney. This stunning villa exudes both modern sophistication and historical grandeur. Finally, return to Como via Faghetolario, Torno, and Blivio, retracing your steps back towards the heart of the charming city. This itinerary promises an unforgettable experience, allowing you to immerse yourself in the timeless allure of Lake Como, while savoring the rich tapestry of history and celebrity within its borders. Lake Como, Private Southwest Coast Boat Tour. Embark on an exclusive voyage aboard your privately chartered boat, set to commence at the designated rendezvous location. Upon boarding, secure a comfortable seating arrangement for optimal viewing of Lake Como's breathtaking natural beauty. characterized by enchanting fairy-tale landscapes, historical villas, and verdant gardens. Your journey will traverse through scenic routes that culminate in the picturesque villages of Cernobbio Laglio, Nesso, Torno, and Blevio. As you admire the panoramic vistas encompassing the surrounding peaks and the serene waters of Lake Como, marvel at its distinctive Italian cypress trees and architectural marvels. Throughout your excursion, engage in the opportunity to pause for refreshing swims, or let the rhythmic tunes of your personal audio system fill the air as you revel in the serene ambience. Throughout this captivating adventure, your personalized tour guide will provide insights into the rich history and cultural significance of the region, ensuring a truly immersive experience. Upon completion of your journey, return safely to the initial assembly point where you can restock supplies and reflect upon the extraordinary views captured along the way.